Good morning, everyone. We had some freezing temperatures, just at freezing last night. I'm kind of scared to look. Here's my patients that I covered. Oh, they did just fine. Yay. And I'm scared to open up my greenhouse because the heater I got wasn't right. I can't put it on a extension plug. So let's see if I'm going to do some power replanting or what. Oh my goodness. I think they might be okay. We'll see though when sometimes it takes a day or so to really see if they handled the cold. Oh, but right now everything looks really good. Nothing. Of course this got left outside the other night and I'm going to prune it up some. But it looks like it's coming back. It is. It's not, just the tops are flopped. I can prune that back. Yeah, the geraniums, the peppers, they look pretty good so far. The status, Gomphrena, all this looks fairly decent. It says it's 41 degrees in here. And, alright, I hope I could take a deep breath a little later when I really get to see. And this came back after I watered it. Yeah, it was just dry. I don't know how I missed that the other day, but I did. Alright, you guys, well, it looks good so far. It looks good so far. Thank goodness. Didn't have heat in here, nothing. And so far, it looks great. Hopefully, when the sun comes out and the heat hits them, they don't melt. So I think they're okay. I think they're okay. Whew. We'll check them again later, okay? The doves sure are enjoying their breakfast this morning with no kitties outside. Oh, is that a redbird? Finch, maybe? I don't know. One summer, a few summers ago, oh, there's Mr. Cardinal, our pretty cardinals. Yeah, is that Mama Cardinal? Can't tell, she got a... One summer, we sat and counted all the different species of birds. And we had like 22 different species. And we've had the cedar waxwings migrate through here too, stop to eat. That's pretty cool. They're a pretty bird. One time, the way I found out, and now we watch for them every year, But the way I found out was about, 5 years ago or so. A bird smacked into my, every time I clean my patio doors, the windows, birds will run into it, and I feel so bad. But sometimes it gets so dirty, I can't stand it no more. But anyway, a bird had knocked himself out, and it was just Lucy at that time. Well, I seen him down on the ground, and he was still alive, and just trying to get his wits about him, and then he was gone. So I thought, good, he's okay. But Lucy was out over by the fence over there. By the fence, by that utility boxes. And she was over there just hanging out, sniffing, and just, I said, Lucy, what you got? I walked over there, and it was the little cedar waxwing, and I didn't even know what the birds were called then. I didn't know for sure what it was. I'd never seen them before. And I was thinking maybe some kind of oriole. But anyway, I put him in a box, and I took him to Operation Wildlife. And she says, that's a cedar waxwing. I have never had a cedar waxwing. She says they're migrating, and that's pretty cool. They're migrating through Kansas. And so he had a fractured wing, and she fixed him up and let him go, 3 or 4 months later when he was good to go. And she posted it on her web page that she made him all better again. So that was a pretty cool thing. When we had our motorcycle shop, we used to do events for them and fundraisers for them. They're a good team. They do good work. And sometimes it's hard for them to keep open because they run on donations. So we donate to them once in a while when I got a little extra money. It's a pretty good place. Let's go check out the plants in the greenhouse and make sure they're okay. It's 51 degrees in here now that the sun is hitting it. And condensation is coming up. Yes, it looks good. It looks good so far. Yeah, looks good. 64 degrees in here right now. 65. Everything looks like they pretty much made it. It's wet and damp. These look like they're a little bit melted. But the ones in here look okay, I think. We'll just see as the day comes on. We got one more cold night, but it's not going to get as cold as last night. It's going to get real hot this week. 80s, low 60s. Probably a lot of humidity. I'm going to prune this up. Prune up my Jacob's coat. Just a little bit for now. Down to the stem, down to the first set of leaves that look good. Yeah, that should be good. That should be good for now. Okay, take a break. Well, since these potatoes didn't take, I'm going to plant some right here. Let me see if you can see. Okay, hopefully you can see it. Can't find my tool to pull up the stakes, but I can probably do it by hand. I'm just gonna dig this up a little bit and work the dirt a little bit. Put in 4 or 5 potatoes. They're just russet potatoes, but we like all kinds of potatoes, so it doesn't matter. And the gaskets make it easier for them to pull out too if you can't find your tool. I know it's around here somewhere. Okay, pull this over. Tag it down a little bit so it won't flop all over the place. I'm gonna go get the the tripod. Okay guys, I'm gonna do some potatoes. They're just all russets, but that's okay. We like all kinds of potatoes. Sweet potatoes, red potatoes, these kind of potatoes. We like them all, but look how big those are. And that one, my goodness. 1, 2, I'm just gonna do about 5. I don't know how I'm gonna pick. They all look so nice. 3, 4, 5. Okay, I got my 5. I'm going to put these back in the bag so I don't have to look at them, because it's hard not to just do them all. Russet potatoes. I'm just doing 5. So I'm going to make a plot right here. And yes, this is where I was going to put some of my tall flowers, and I may down there, like the salvia. I don't know what all I'll be putting down there. I'll probably maybe stick a salvia in the garden instead of outside. You just need to do about 6 inches down. Take out these weeds. Well, without having a heater on in the greenhouse, everything fared well. When it started to warm up, my my pretty pepper, the my black pearl pepper leaves started to droop some. I'm like, oh no. But it's all perked back up. It's 91 degrees in there, so I opened up the screen, or opened up the door and left the screen down. So, okay. I think this is good enough. What roots do I have in here? Old roots. All right. If you go by the moon, today starts the waning moon, which is a good time to plant root plants, root veggies. Oh, I'm right on target. it's a little clumpy. I think it'll be all right. Hopefully. Okay. Alrighty. Let's start with this one. That one's pretty. That one's pretty. Purple. Purple's my favorite color if you haven't noticed. Alright. About 6 inches. That's what happens when you have old growth. Mature trees and mature grass. Number two. Put a little fertilizer on it later. Okay, we'll move over here a little bit. there. That's it. That's it, you guys. That's all it took. What? Not 10 minutes, 11 minutes. Not too shabby. Yeah. He's back in here. Keep the plastic down. So decide what to do here. You know? Okay, we'll have this right here. You know, I got a potato right there. And then we'll wait for him to come up. And hopefully, with the second try, we'll have potatoes. Finally. We hope. Hope we have onions too. Look, the ranunculus is growing good. Yeah, just a little bit sad in places, but you know what? Last year they didn't bloom till like June, so I'm not worried. If they want to bloom, they can. They can bloom their little hearts out. And I don't know if I have to water today or not. May have to water a little bit. I'll check it. But we did get some rain, not last night, but the night before. So we should be good. All right, you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.